Have you ever wanted to teach your children about how to trust God, even if the situation seems impossible? Well, we have a quick truth video called Trust the Impossible, and it's going to teach you exactly how to do that. So, you will need a nappy or anything else that's absorbent. We've used sponges or cotton wool. Then what you want to do is, you want to take a mug and you want to shove the nappy into here, but make sure the children don't see it. And then, as you're talking to the children, you get 2 leaders to stand there with 2 cups, but only one of them has the absorbent material. And then you ask the other leader, do you trust me? Do you trust that when we pour water in here and we tip the cups over our heads that we're not going to get wet? It seems impossible, but trust me. Then you blindfold the other leader, pour water into the cups, and then you tell the leader, all right, on the count of 3, we're going to pour the cups of water over our heads. But you drink all of the water, and when you tip the cups, you don't get wet. Wow, it is incredible. You have just done something that seemed impossible. And then you can explain to the children that you used something absorbent and it was a trick. But the incredible thing is that God never tricks us. And when God makes a promise, even though it might seem impossible, we know that He is a good God, He is a faithful God, and He will do what He said He would.